Yo, hello guys, it's Switch here. This friendly reminder in the Boinkers app today we have the raffle. So is it going to be in 3 hours and 8 minutes? One person can win 100 ton. But even if you are going to win a half ton, it's really crucial and important. Why? Because lots of apps want you to send this amount to be exact with half ton to access the airdrops. So the one of those apps is a BAM. Bumps. So basically, if you don't have any exchange, like I don't have any exchange, I just want to explain that, and we're just gonna jump how to basically do the raffle. So I just started my crypto gaming journey a week ago. This channel is going to be about my crypto journey, gaming crypto journey. For this year, we'll see. I'm going to proceed with that or not, but definitely I'm going to do a monthly newses review from apps I'm going to play, and at some point, I think a month or two from now, I'll be doing the live stream. So with that being said, I don't have any crypto exchange, and I have never had, and I don't think so I really want to have one, which means doesn't matter how old are you, you can be 10 years old, you don't need any ID, so you don't need to be 18 years old, you don't need any exchange. Only what you need is basically you just downloading the Telegram account. You just basically downloading whatever app you wish to play, and then with that app you will have something like basically connecting the wallet, and here that's gonna be on the second tab drop. Here you will have connect the wallet, and if you don't have the wallet is going to be instantly created. So I'm just going to show you my wallets. Like, I'm super transparent with it because, like I said, at the end of the day I don't have any exchange, and I just wanna basically show people how to start it as well, like me, and make it profit. Like, hopefully we'll make some profits. So I just gonna basically do the videos about this, about my journey in this year. We'll see how it goes. So I have the wallets here. That's the wallet which will instantly pop out when you basically want to connect a wallet and you don't have any wallet. I'm just gonna open this wallet because I'm just gonna tell you something which I already recorded the video about this. That's gonna be, I think, 2 days from now. But yeah, just gonna tell you in a minute. So you have your wallet, and when you are going to receive the reward, you will have the letter in your inbox over there. You can press that and you will see the rewards. So my last reward was a half ton, was the 24th of February, and you will basically, they will email you with that, they will email you, sorry, excuse me guys, with that reward, and that reward will be in your ton wallet. So that's here, half ton, and Boinkers Raffle, Libra's Ton Fest. Another thing which is going to be soon on channel, like I don't know which day is going to be, but I'm just going to mention right now. I recently won 2 tons as well, just simply by acquiring one of the toilet brush bonus. Like, it's a rare artifact, and they not telling you that at all on the newses. So that's, be mindful of that if you're going to play and you're gonna use some microtransactions, although you don't need to use any microtransactions. But if you are willing to pay something to buy the toilet paper, basically that's the artifacts here. So they will reward you for your efforts, but they not going to necessarily mention that, because they mention, like, for example, people who will have 6 artifacts or 12 artifacts or 15 artifacts, and then they're gonna tell you like you will get 50 tons or 100 tons and such. But I'm going to dive more into that into the other video, which is going to be, I think, tomorrow on the channel, because I already recorded a couple of videos yesterday, and I'm releasing them obviously on daily basis. I don't want to dump everything at once because that's doesn't make any sense, right? Okie dokie. So I'm just going to jump right now how to basically do the raffle. So you have the raffle here in the corner, left corner. You are going to press this, and then if you've been playing a little bit longer, then you will have access to get more tickets. I have right now 160 tickets. It's totally for free. They basically just they're giving you the tickets judging by the amount of shit, basically. So it's like the more shit you have over here, you mine more shit. So then you'll be able to acquire more raffles. Basically, simple as that. You don't need to spend any money. One more time, you don't need to spend any money. You don't need any exchange. You don't need any ID. You don't even need to live in the country where the crypto Telegram wallet it's you can use. That makes sense. So there's lots of countries which you are not able to use, and I'm living one of them. I'm living in UK, so you are not able to use that wallet. Like, you are not able to do the transactions. So like, even if you will set up exchange, you won't be able to transfer your funds into that wallet, and you might think like, okay, so I'm just gonna turn on the VPN address. But when you're going to turn the VPN address, you will access this, but then they will ask you to proof of ID. Let's say you're gonna do the Spanish VPN, so then you will need to prove your ID from Spain. So it's not like you just fucking live in UK, you're pressing Spain, and then you're just fucking providing with the British passport. It doesn't fucking work like that. It's not gonna fucking cut it. But you don't have to be worried much, because if, let's say, for argument's sake, I'm going to win 100 ton today, so how the fuck I gonna manage to do so? Well, I don't know exactly, but I know for sure there's going to be different app within the same ecosystem, which you can transfer that 100 ton into some other wallet. I have a couple of wallets. I didn't really test that because simply I don't have money to test that. But then you're just gonna transfer into the crypto, different crypto coin, which then you can set up some exchange. Like, I'm living in UK, so there's a Coinbase here. I think so. It's a Coinbase, and Binance is like global, right? And then I will just fuck around with this. But honestly, like, for getting half ton, let's say for bumps, I don't really want to put my ID, do the exchange, and just fuck around. Like, I don't give a fuck. Like, honestly, it's too much fucking hassle. So I'm super happy, actually, the last time I won, because I can basically use those assets to different tools / apps to basically access them, and then I will have the airdrop from this app, just simply because I put that half ton into this app. So I hope you understand everything what I'm saying, but if you don't, you can ask me some questions. Be super happy to answer anyway. So that's about it. You just basically need to create the account within the Raffle, within the Boinkers app, connect the wallet, which is going to be your Telegram wallet. You don't have to worry about anything at all. And then obviously, if you want to withdraw this, and you are not living in the country where the wallet is supported, you will just basically either swap. We can't swap, or can we continue? Choose token. Okay, so we can actually swap that. We can choose tokens, and if you really want to choose the token, but there is actually Tether USD. There we go. So we can instantly swap here to the USD, and the Tether you can use on every exchange, right? So you're just gonna set up exchange. But I'm just purely talking about like you actually going to make profit from it. Like, because for me, when I'm going to hit 100 ton, like majority of that I will allocate to the other apps, which I'm currently playing 15 apps, but the idea is to play around 40 to 50 apps per day, to multitask them and try to understand, do we or can we make a living from it? Sort of, like, not right now, not within the month, not within the 2 months, but let's say a year from now, can I have some sustained sort of income or additional income? So that's what I want to test. And I'm going to finish right now. What I wanted to say, when I'm going to win 100 ton, majority of that, like 80%, I will just allocate in the apps, and 20% I will do for the giveaway on my Telegram account to promote, obviously, here my new business, which is going to be about the crypto gaming on the Telegram. And what I want to say, one more thing. Oh, right, and you can support me by choosing the games I'm playing on my referral links below the video. And obviously, if you're playing some games, I will have some extra points, and then I will, on the airdrops, I will allocate as much as possible for you guys for giveaways. The idea is to do the monthly giveaway, but the thing is, like, I don't have any money. I'm just gonna be honest with you right now, guys, so I won't be able to do anything. But I have a vision for this channel, and if you want to support me, really appreciate for that. Well, that's it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Somebody was actually watching. Take care. Have a good one. Have a big, massive luck to win even half ton, because if you understand how the system, how those apps are going to be crucial to combine together, and you see like the big picture, you're going to understand every small winning within that ecosystem is actually crucial, because you can activate other apps, which is huge, because those other apps will basically provide you with more rewards, more airdrops, and then the airdrops are going to be a sustain. So it's not like it's just gonna be just one airdrop and that's it. That there are apps where there are the season airdrops, like for example the HAMSTER app. Just gonna maybe show you, just slightly off topic, but maybe somebody will be interested about it. But there is a HAMSTERverse, which is a couple of videos I covered on the channel already. You can go and see, but this is basically the universe with the like lots of 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be 5 games, 4 games, and this is like an exchange. It's still like beta testing. It's not everything on, but then when you go to the profile here, you see, you will see they have the season first airdrop, total HAMSTER climbed vested available on September 26th. So this year, September 26th is going to be the first season of the airdrop. First season. So they're going to basically do always airdrops, and those people who started right now, who playing, who grinding, they will get obviously much more rewards. So I definitely will cover lots of projects as and like separate playlists, but I think the Boinkers app is not one of those projects, because this is like super straightforward game. Like literally, you just log in, play like 1 minute per day to like top 5 minutes, and just get the fuck out from that. So with that being said, 11 minutes, I think, longer than I expect. Probably I should just say 2 minutes, but I just want to add some other stuff, I guess. So thank you very much, guys, one more time for watching. See you guys in the next video. Take care, and bye for now.